This is an update on my Survival Seeds 2026 collab. And I've got all my seeds planted. I planted them, I'll look over here in just a sec. I think I did 2 different days. One was 4-1, and then the next day is 4-2 is when I did them, got them all planted. Only thing I had left over was celery and some basil and some of those tomatitos or whatever you call them. So, and I'll put a second planting of those in. Well, I'll show you here in just a second. I'm pretty amazed because the days I'm filming this, I think it's either the 4th or the 5th. I don't know which, but anyway, it's somewhere in there. And I'll show you what I got going on. But as soon as it get a little bigger, and it's not that I don't have time, I don't have the space. I got this place is completely packed out, but my tomatoes are getting ready to go to the high tunnel to get hardened off. So I'll have plenty of room, hopefully. All right, let's show you what's coming up and how I did this. So here's my spinach. And I planted all of these, and I see one there that the water took out of. Just got through watering. Here's my tomatillos. I planted these 4. I planted this whole plug tray 4-1, and they're coming up. Look, right there's one. Right there's one. And then back here in the back's my basil, and it's all coming up. Got really good germination on it. It's all the way up to here. So I got 4 rows of that, and it's all coming up. Of course, here's my brandywine, my aromas. Nothing out of them yet. My shishitos, my California bells. Here's my celery from here back. Then here's my Moons and Stars, one of my favorite watermelons. Hell's Best, it's a cantaloupe, heirloom. Market 76 cucumber, and the black zucchini. And I planted these, 4-2, so I don't see anything yet on them. It would be really amazing if anything come out by it. But I'm really surprised these are coming up so quick. That's an update on the seeds that I've started. So this will be the first week, and I'll probably, like I said, I'll do another round of. I got a little bit of celery and basil left, so I'll put another round of those in. When they come up, I'll show you. Hopefully it won't be long. We got some pretty good conditions this week. So, like I said, I'm amazed that the basil and all that come up so quick. So this is the update on my seeds I've started. And I'll show you when we plant them down in the big gardens down there. Hopefully they'll do really good. All right, appreciate you watching. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down here in the farm in the next video.